Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmation.
Hello for love, everyone. Today we're headed to
Jollibee.
Jollibee's. So the famous Filipino restaurant is finally in Washington State, and we're gonna go check it out. Let me show you how far it is, and we'll show you all the food we buy. All right, let's get started. As you can see, it's only, what's it say, 43 miles or minutes. 43 miles, sorry, away from us. So let's head to Jollibee's. All right, we are just getting off the freeway. It's almost been just shy of an hour because of traffic. So we are headed up here. It's at the South Center Westfield Mall, which is a sprawling, ginormous mall here. We're really close to Seattle. Seattle's like a mile and a half, 2 miles from here, going north. Okay. So as you can see, we are right near it. It looks like they have an outside entrance and an inside entrance. Jollibee, home of famous Chicken Joy. I think you can go in that way. And they're now hiring for $16.50 an hour. All right, we're getting ready to go in. Mommy, you're not going in, right?
No.
Why?
Oh, because my baby's.
Her baby. So we don't want to eat in there. We're going to find a little park or something to eat at. So, oh my gosh, let me show you how crowded it is here at the mall. They got Seafood City Marketplace here. This is just one little section of it. This thing is so big. There's like 5 sides to it. It's a huge mall. And as you can see, it's very crowded here. All right, the girls are walking in front of me. We're hopefully finding a nice park, because my wife also doesn't like to go in because it's probably super packed in there where they're eating. So we want to eat and relax. Alley in the mall. Here we are, Jollibee's. Let me get a picture. Maybe I'll use this for the thumbnail. Jollibee. Sorry. Wow. I almost regret us coming here. Look at the lines going out of the Jollibee. They got Chowking, Wow La Sham. Those places look empty. We've been here about 15 minutes and we've moved inside of the restaurant finally again. There's another place to eat like right next door to it. Oh, there it shows every place Jollibee in the world. Brunei, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Las Vegas, California, New York, Hawaii, Canada, Hong Kong, Singapore, Vietnam, and of course now here in Washington. So Silhouette and Acapella are disappointed because it looks like the Yum Burgers are totally unavailable and the burger steaks are unavailable. It looks like all they have is chicken. Chicken, and more chicken. And they don't want that, so we're get something for me and Mom, and then we're have to stop somewhere else to get them something to eat. Kids are guarding the Jollibee for Mommy and me, and we walk to the other side of the mall, well, halfway through it, to get some Panda Express, which is just Chinese food takeout. Pretty. Like the food court area. I get tired walking in malls like this. They're so stinking huge and spread out. Ooh, Thai chicken or Thai kitchen. There are a lot of good places here. If I live nearby, we could come try a different place every day. Got more stores down there. Okay, let's go out and get this food to Mama. And well, the police has stopped somebody for doing something wrong. Filming the popo. I got the popo on camera. All right, let's go find a park or a nice place to eat this food that hopefully will be delicious. The silhouette, we're sitting on a rock by a park at Maka out. There is a little river that runs down through there. And across, I don't know if you can see, I guess you can't, but there's soccer fields and there's kids playing soccer. We just parked here and found some shade up here so we don't have to drive all the way home. So we're gonna sit down here and let's see what Mommy got. Mommy got some gravy. Oh, let's open that one up. See what that is, what Mommy got.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
that's that pork, egg, shrimp over steamed rice. What's it called?
Palapa.
Palak. We're not sure how to pronounce it.
Palapa.
Maka seems to like everything she smells. Oh, there's your chicken. Let me get a
There's
picture
my
of your chicken. Big smile. Okay, thank you. Try to get a thumbnail too. So she got the chicken. She'll hopefully share with me. And then here she got her
Hi.
two
Wow.
peach and mango pies. I'll probably try a little bite. I got the spicy chicken sandwich with jalapeno. I'll show you once I open it. Oh, and french fries are in here too.
Oh,
Hopefully you can see us both. I got Mommy's pineapple and then you want to try that? How's that taste? Yucky, goody?
good.
It's good. Maka likes the smell of my spicy chicken sandwich. I don't think dogs are allowed to eat spicy food though. So basically it has chicken and sauce and some
Jalapenos.
we'll give Maka a french fry. Maka. There you go, baby. There you go. Go eat your fries.
Curiosity.
Not bad. I don't know what the gravy's for. French fries? Chicken. Oh. Whoa.
You know what that reminds me of? Gravy.
Gravy. This smells way different. I was expecting it to smell like KFC gravy. Let me try a little dip. Can't really tell. I'm gonna put it right next to you. It's open though, honey. Did you want to try a french fry or just let the doggy have them? Silhouette's eating some french fries, I think. What are you doing? There you go. Oh, Maka's not eating them. I'll try a fry with some gravy. There we go. Be honest, not a fan of the gravy. Kind of watery. I like a little bit thicker gravy.
This tastes more like gravy.
Yeah. You can't see your thing blocking your whole. There you go.
Right there. See?
I'm gonna try a bite now with the jalapeno part. I taste a little bit of heat from the jalapeno. But to be honest with you, and I know I eat a lot of spicy food, so I may not be a good judge because I'm so used to hot stuff, but the spicy chicken doesn't really taste like it has anything on it, like spice at all. Like barely.
Okay.
It's very lightly spicy. It's not super spicy for sure.
No.
Jollibee.
Okay.
Oh, Mommy's gonna try the chicken. Go ahead.
Very good.
What did you say? She likes it. She says it's really good.
I mean, yeah, grease part.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, definitely not as greasy as KFC or Popeyes or Church's Chicken or all the chicken places that they have here in the U.S. Now, I wouldn't say, of course, part of the juices are grease, so it's not quite as juicy as what we're used to. All right, Mommy's liking the chicken. How's the rice? I'll try the rice. Very basic, just steamed rice. So nothing good or bad about that. It's just plain rice. The chicken sandwich, though, I'm gonna say, let me think.
That's it.
For a spice level, I'm gonna give their spicy chicken sandwich a 2 on a 1 out of 10. Except for a little bit of spicy with the jalapenos. It's not spicy to me at all. The chicken, though,
Have my drink.
Silhouette stole Mommy's drink. The chicken, though, is tender. Not very juicy, though. Of course, part of the juice I'm used to with most chicken sandwiches is the grease. So it's not as greasy, so it's probably a little more healthy for you. But I would give the overall sandwich, let's see, including the chicken, I would say a 6. So that's my rating for Jollibee. My first time ever trying this spicy chicken sandwich. I had Jollibee years ago when I was stationed and went to the Philippines. I don't remember what I had, just chicken or spaghetti or something, I don't know. Mommy, though, is in love with the type of chicken, how it tastes. So 1 to 10, what would you give the chicken?
It's just 10.
She's giving the
I'm
chicken
not
a
big
10.
on grease.
So she is not big on grease. I don't know why I repeat stuff she says. I'm always worried that you can't hear her voice. I know my voice projects really strong. And sometimes I'm worried Mommy or the girls, you can't hear them.
Should have gotten the bucket.
She said I should have got a bucket, so we'll put that on her wish list for next year when we might come again. Hopefully it won't be so crowded next time.
Oh.
How did you like the pineapple mango drink? Or was this pineapple mango? Or was it pineapple? Just pineapple? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Whoa! Woo! That is sweet! Oh my gosh! It's very pineapple-y. So I think for a pineapple drink that I've ever tasted, that is at least a 9.5. I won't drink anymore, it's too sweet for me. But it definitely tastes like they literally took a pineapple and just swirled all the juice in that cup. It's so strong. Very good pineapple flavor, though. By the way, Acapella ate her panda while we were driving trying to find a spot. And she started napping before we even got here, so I'm like, gosh darn it. That's why she's not in the video.
She's still tired from yesterday.
She's tired from yesterday and well, they had like a boxing thing she had to help out with. She hasn't boxed in an official match yet, but that should be coming soon. We'll tell you about it, or hopefully show it to you when it happens. Oh, big plane going overhead. So I'm gonna try some of this. Whoop, don't let it fall out. The shrimp are tiny, tiny. Like
fry.
I think Silhouette stole your fries. So they got pork on top. This is like a sapasui noodle. Let's see. The noodles are not quite al dente. They're a little harder. Not used to that taste. Not saying it's bad. Maybe people love it. I don't care for it right now. I'm gonna try this sauce. and one of the baby shrimp. Baka, get away from the camera. Shrimp are too small to taste. The pork gravy though, let's see. The gravy is actually not bad. The noodles, I'm not a fan. The noodles, I give them a 1, or if I could give them lower, I would. The chunks of pork though and the gravy, I give that like a 7.
Where's my fries? Where's my fries? Sorry.
Oh, Silhouette ate them all. There you go. There's your answer. And yeah, did I give them the overall meal taste? I don't remember.
You did your chicken.
But for that, for the overall meal for that,
No.
because of the noodles being a 1, I'm probably gonna give it a 5 overall.
Doesn't the sauce taste like?
This is another dark meat, so. Now that one's a little more juicy, if you can see.
Doesn't the sauce taste like mom's
Hold on, I don't know.
what do you call it?
So the skin, I think the only thing I don't like about the skin is I like that there's not a lot of grease on that piece. We don't taste bad with just the skin. But it's not spicy. They don't have enough spices in it, I guess you could say. Now I'm not saying hot spicy, I'm just saying spices. I can taste, I can't taste any black pepper at all. Barely salty, which I like salty food, so. I don't know, I'm just not, I guess part of the problem I think is that so many people love Jollibee and they say great things about it. Especially if you watch people in the Philippines trying it, they love Jollibee. But you know, everyone doesn't have to love everything they eat. I personally don't mind anything I ate. If this is the only thing I had to eat, I'd eat it every day. But having tasted everything pretty much, except for their hamburger, which I wish I would have got a hamburger, I never need to eat it again the rest of my life. I'm good. I've ate it once and I'm happy. I do want to try a burger though, so next time we're up this way by Seattle, I will do it. And I'm going to pause the video for a second, and Mommy's going to try her peach mango pie. Oops, sorry. Mocking eating a couple of little pieces of chicken. She gives the chicken 10 paws out of 10. She loves chicken meat. Mommy's going to try the... Why are you holding the pie, Silhouette? You want to taste it too?
No.
Oh.
Eat it.
You want to eat it?
No. Mom, eat it.
You
Why
just
are
want
you
Mom to
touching
try
it?
some.
Thanks.
Here we go. I'm guessing this might be Mom's favorite, but I don't know. Let's see.
Mom likes pie.
Mom likes pies, Silhouette said. Oh, not the want pie. Well, give it a score. It's fine.
Not bad.
Not bad. So it's not great.
I was worried.
Let me try it. And I don't eat mango or really pineapple pies. That's what it's
That's
pineapple.
not pineapple.
Peach. Here we go.
It's not bad.
That actually is not bad, and I'm not a sweet pie eater. The best part though is the crust and the flakiness. That is really good. The crust on the outside is definitely a 9 to me. The filling is a little too sweet for me, but the flavor is great. I think if you like peach and mango, that's probably a really good bet to get it.
Sweet. Not sweet at all.
Now, if she says not sweet at all, of course I'm sensitive to sweet, so it's sweet to me. Let's put it that way. Just like with her with spice.
I feel like crunching on stuff.
Yeah, I like the crunchy stuff.
Come here.
No, I'm good. I don't want to get diabetes just from eating another piece. Too sweet for me. Too sweet for Dada. Too sweet for Dada. Oh, she's gonna bite you. She's gonna bite you. Go get her. Go get her. You're gonna bite her on camera. It's not off. If it's blinking red, it's on. Just the screen went off. Now we know. I'm done. We're gonna drive back home. It's only like 1 o'clock something in the afternoon, so this is just like our lunch. Probably make something easy for dinner. I think that's it. You want to say goodbye? You want to say goodbye? Grab that thing.
Bye.
Yeah, the dog just tore it out of the ground because out of the woods came a fellow that was fishing.
Maka.
All right. Say goodbye, Maka. Say goodbye. Sofa. Oi, Fua. Sofa, say Fua, everyone.
Bye.
Ba. Now here's your turn.
Bye.
Ba. Sofa, say Fua, everyone. Until next time. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sinking.
Peace, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you next video. Oh, I think someone's leaving me. Wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy. I'm coming. Love you guys.